I'm Dr. Arun Prasad. I'm here working in Alchemist for now 4 years. I have been here in this institute for quite some time, and I am focusing on pediatrics, and I have a specialization in pediatric gastroenterology, which deals with all children with liver, GI, and pancreas related disorders. I did my post graduation from PGI Chandigarh. After that, I worked there as a senior resident for 3 years in the department of pediatric gastroenterology. I then left for Nagpur. I was there as a lecturer in medical college for another 3 years, and then I worked in an institute which deals primarily with diseases of gastroenterology in Nagpur, which is the name of Midas Institute of Gastroenterology, where I worked as a consultant pediatric gastroenterologist. Now for last 8 years, when I came back to Chandigarh, I initially worked in various hospitals in the Tri-City, which includes INSCOL, IV Hospital Mohali, and also the other hospitals like Gratian, other hospital super specialty in Sohana. So I was attached there as a consultant gastroenterologist, which I used to cover throughout my practice in last 4 years. Before joining in Alchemist Hospital, now I am here as a full-time consultant. We have a very good department of pediatrics, which we cover almost all diseases. We have a good neonatology setup with a high-end ventilators. We have a good team. With me, Dr. Amit Bishnoi is working, and then we have a good pulmonology setup. We are also focusing on our cardiology unit. We have a dedicated cardiology unit and a dedicated pediatric cardiothoracic surgeon, in which we deal all kinds of cyanotic and acyanotic diseases. Since now we have operated upon around 8 to 10 patients who are doing very well, and they are doing very well in their home also, and on follow up also they are excellent. This department has been recently started in the last 3 months, and we are the only one in the Tri-City who have a dedicated pediatric cardiothoracic surgeon. The department of pediatric gastroenterology deals with all kinds of diseases, and in all our OPD has 40 to 50 patients in a day, and in a month we are approximately having 1000 to 1500 patients with admissions of all kinds of patients. We have newborns with as low birth weight as 450 grams, and we are dealing with as sick patients on ventilators. In pediatric ICU also we have a 4-bedded pediatric ICU and a 5-bedded dedicated pediatric neonatal unit. So we are dealing with the 24 hours emergencies. So we have round the clock people to take care of all the babies, and we have all kind of facilities which would be available in any children hospital in the Tri-City. I myself have a small OPD in my residence also, for which I take care only in OPD. This is at my residence, which is at Manimajra in the housing board complex. So in the hour of need, you can always feel free to call us or contact us whenever you need a pediatric, a neonatology, or any problems related to a pediatric gastroenterology. Anytime we are available 24 hours, and also for any kind of emergencies. Thank you very much.